Good morning, everyone. Welcome to DevOps AWS with AI session. Yesterday we had done automatic deployment, and it was network issue. So it was we are not able to check, but yeah, definitely this is working fine. This is yesterday pipelines we created, right? So let me do it build now in front of you. I will do no problem. Let me reload this. Okay, server is up and running. Okay, server also up and running.
Sorry, your voice is little bit low.
Now,
Oh, okay.
okay. So it is working fine. It is working fine if you're able to see, right? It is working fine. Let me give VK Cloud. No, yesterday username was different. Yesterday username was this. Okay, let me copy this, paste here, and let me give. Now see, we are able to log in. We are able to log in. We are able to log in. Okay. So I will just click on build now. Build is schedule. See, build fifth build started, right? See this build started. Okay. Let it complete. It's completing, right? It's progressing. Let me open in new tab. We'll go and see what are the logs. Once it is done, we'll see the output. Whatever we did, everything was successful, guys. Nothing was pending. Okay. But today I will explain each and everything one more time. We will record the session. I will note down each and every point. I already note that, but for explaining one more time, it will be a good for you guys. So again, I will do everything in front of you. Okay. Yesterday, what we did, I am trying to show you the output, and maybe give more explanation. Let this build will complete first. Otherwise, let me close this. Let it complete first. This 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 deployment will be done. Once this pipeline will complete, anyhow we are going to see the same output. Whatever we are getting, same output we are going to see. Okay. Let this pipeline complete. Okay. Meanwhile, this will complete. Can we go ahead for from the beginning? Are you guys
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now, meanwhile, this is triggering why we will come back and see what is happening here. Let's try to understand. Guys, what we are trying to achieve is this is our GitHub repository, right? This is our GitHub repository. This is our GitHub repository. Something we are right. Okay. This is our GitHub. Copy this. Copy this. So this is our GitHub repository. Okay. Something. Now inside GitHub repository, now inside this GitHub repository, we have one project. We have one project. Where is our project? This is Jenkin demo is our project. The repository is this one. Let me copy this URL. Let me copy this URL and paste here. Okay, let me Let me change the font size. So everyone will be able to relate what we are doing. Okay. This is our GitHub URL. Okay. Now what developer has supposed to do? Developer are in different place, right? This is one developer. This is one developer. This is one developer. Okay. This is one developer. Similarly, this is one more developer. This is one more developer, right? This is one more developer. Similarly, there will be another developer from same team. Okay. Let let it be name as developer one. Let where it is in India. Let it be developer two. This is this developer in US, and this developer three is in Canada. Just imagine this way, right? No, he is working on some functionality. He is working on some functionality. Developer one working on some functionality. What he will do? He will he will he will push the changes into one branch. This will be our branch, right? What first they will take the branch. They will take the branch. First they will take the branch. First they will take the branch. Everyone will take the branch, right? From where they will take the branch? They will take the branch from where? This repository. You know Git operation. That's why I'm just trying to. This is the feature branch. Okay, this is simple, nothing but a feature branch. This is a branch one. This is a branch one. This is a branch one. Okay. Similarly, this is a branch two. Branch two. And this is a branch three for developer three. Okay, simple. Okay, now this branch they have taken from where? This branch they have taken from master branch. That is main branch. Just think in this way. What they will do, they will merge the branch, do the prior request, everything is fine. Okay. Now what happen? This code will be available where in this GitHub repository, in this URL especially. Let's say this is a master branch. Okay. They will move the code in the into this branch. This is the one thing. Okay. Now, till now you are good, right? Any problem in this diagram?
No,
The more you will see diagram, then it will be easier for you. Now, where is our code? Think. I am one of the developer amongst these three developers. Okay, I am the developer amongst the three developer. Okay, I am the one of the developer from this. Okay, I am developer one from India. I have taken this code. Just think, this is my code. Okay, this is my code. Maybe it may be Spring application, it may be Spring Boot application, it may be anything. So this is my local. See, this is think I have directly doing something in master. Imagine this. So this code, whatever this code will be there, this code will I will have to merge into the where GitHub, right? So this is Maven web master. This is linked to this branch is linked to this URL, right? Okay. Now, what happen if this developer one will push the code, developer two will push the code, and this developer three will push the code? So do you think every time they will do deployment? No, right? So what happened? They will decide one day they will merge all these functionality from developer one, developer two, and developer three. They will create branch. They will work on their functionality. They will move into the master branch. Let's say one of the branch. Okay. Now this branch is there. Now what will happen in local? How we can create a war file doing Maven. So this is a Maven project. So what we used to do run as we are going to command build. Try to observe. Try to observe how I am showing you the war file. I am deleting this war file because war file is available in where? War file is available in this target folder. Okay? Now I will do run as maven build. In my local, I am able to run this file. Let me do maven. What is the command I am going in local? Clean installer or clean package. Fine. Okay? So see, Maven will is a build tool. Maven is a build tool which generate a what it will generate? It will generate a var file for this complete project. There is a code inside this project. You are not supposed to write the code. Developer has supposed to write the code. As a DevOps, we are only nothing. We are not doing anything in code. So var build success. I can see this in my local. This same thing, everything I can see in my local. Let me refresh this folder. Refresh this. There is this. Refresh this. See again, this var file is created, right? Now, what is this mean by var file? Everything with whatever developer writing the code, that code logic is there in this file. When we deployed this var file, into the server, then this var file will execute and we will get the output. Okay? Till now you are good, right? Okay. Now, come to our diagram. Come to our diagram. Let's see what happened to that build. Maybe it is going on. Ignore this. Okay? Now, come to our diagram. So this is our GitHub. Now, where is our server? Now, guys, important thing. Observe carefully. This is our AWS. This is our AWS. This is our AWS, right? This is our AWS. Okay? Now, this is our AWS. What we are doing in AWS, guys? In AWS, we are using what? This is our AWS services. Let's say this is our AWS services. Okay? Inside AWS, what we are doing? EC2 service we are using. What we are using? EC2 service we are using. Okay? EC2 service we are using. Inside EC2 service, what we are doing? We are using one other service, that is EC2, Elastic Cloud Compute. So let's say this is one of the service. Now tell me, guys, this is my local laptop now. This is Java project. For this Java project, what I required? Java software required, Maven tool is required. Then only this run var file will be executing, compilation, everything will be done. Same way. This is AWS network. Okay? And this is our cloud. This is, let's say, our cloud. This is our cloud. Okay? This is our network. Try to observe. Okay? Now try to observe. Simple, this is a network. The more you will visualize, then every step will be in your brain and you will able to relate the steps. Okay? This is our network. Okay? AWS itself is a network, some network. But between GitHub and AWS, there is no relation. That's why I keep one diagram network. Now inside AWS EC2, what is happened? We need to create one server. So let's say this is EC2 service. This is EC2 service. Inside EC2 service, what we are creating? We are creating one Ubuntu operating system, which is a Linux platform. We are using what? Ubuntu. Everything. In my local laptop, this application is running is Windows now. This application is, I created war file in this laptop is having where from I am talking. That is Windows. But EC2 bit what we are choosing Linux, Ubuntu platform. Now inside Ubuntu, what we are installing, we have to install Java. What we need to do? Install Java. Okay. After Java, what we need to install? We need to install Tomcat server. Why? You yourself ask why this is required. Tomcat Java is required to compile the program na. whatever the Java code will be there for that. Tomcat is for what? For deploying. We require this many software inside this. Okay, now. Okay, now. Now try to observe. This Tomcat is there, Java is there. Okay, inside where this is one software Java, this is server Tomcat server. Okay. Apart from that, what we required, guys? What we required, guys? We required Jenkins. We required Jenkins. Okay. We required what? Jenkins software. This is our Jenkins software. This is our Jenkins software. Jenkins software. Okay. Whatever I am doing in my local, now I am asking, hey Jenkins, can you do it for me? So Jenkins saying, yes, I will do it for you. But for doing this code run and deployment into Tomcat server, something I need to require. That what I required inside. I required one Java. Whenever you give me code, I required Java na, to compile the code, to build the code. To build the code, I required Maven. Provide me all this information. Apart from that, I required Tomcat server detail. Tomcat server detail. Okay, fine. So what we need to do, all these things we will provide. Jenkins, we want to configure in the server 8080 port number is related to this. And 9090 is related to this. Now, what will happen when this Maven will create a war file? When will this Maven will create a war file? We will ask. So now, one more thing. One more information it required na. It required one more information, that is Git repo. From where I will get the code. We need to configure this. So we will configure everything. We will configure everything. Try to observe. Git repo. See this. Git repo. This Git repo. This Git repo over the network. What it will, Jenkins will do? Jenkins will pull the code. Jenkins will pull the code from GitHub repository. Okay? Once the code is there, better. Let me go in order. What we are giving? Okay, we are giving GitHub. Once the GitHub is there, then what will Java software required, right? Java Maven is required, right? Maven required, and Java required, right? So what will do? What will happen? This GitHub, what information we are giving, it will connect to this URL. It will pull the code inside the Jenkins. Inside the code in the Jenkins. Once the code is available, when the code will be available, then it will ask in this way, Maven. Hey Maven, this is the code. Now create a war file with the help of Java. To run the Maven, we require Java na. So Java plus Maven will create what one? Maven will create a war file. They together, whatever they will create, they create one war file. They will create one war file, right? Simple. With the help of Java software, this Maven will create one war file. Okay? Simple thing, guys. And what will happen? Then after that, we will have Tomcat information. We will have Tomcat information. Tomcat related information in Jenkins we are going to provide na. Then what will happen? Tomcat, it will connect with that Tomcat. It will connect with this Tomcat. Tomcat is running where? Tomcat is running where? In the port number 90. It is both 8080, but we will change the port number of Tomcat 8080 to 9090. And it will run on 8080. Okay? Hope you are good. Hope you are good with this diagram. Now, whatever the war file will be created, this war file will be given to this address of Tomcat. and it will be deployed into this server. It will deployed into the server. Okay. And then it will run in the, we can able to run this. Are you good with this diagram? Are you good with this diagram? Any difficulty in this diagram? Tell me. Guys, you are supposed to talk to me. I am again explaining
Yes,
and
sir.
explaining.
Yes, sir.
Everyone I am asking.
No
Yes, sir.
problem.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is completely we have to do now. Okay. Yesterday already we did. Everything is successful. Okay. This is something slow. Forget about this. We are this is running fine. 100% I know. If I click here, application will definitely run. I have already tested this. So yesterday, whatever we did, everything is successful. Okay. Now let me close this and do everything in front of you again. Okay. Forget about this. See, this fourth build was successful. Okay. So now guys, observe. Now this is my code. Developer should know how to move this code. Okay. Now let me show you where is our main code. There may be Java code, but why? There may be some JSP code, HTML code, Java code, anything will be there. What I am trying to have in this index.jsp, we are having some HTTP path is there, and I am redirecting to this application to some other application. This code is there. Tomorrow we will change this code and we will see the functionality. Okay? Let's go. Let's go to our server. EC2 instance. Now I am doing one by one. Observe, guys. Okay. Now I am marking one by one. I am creating EC2 instance. This is our step number. This is our step number 1. I am going to EC2 instance. Can I go to EC2 instance? Let me go to EC2 instance. Okay. Okay. I am going to EC2 instance. Can I launch EC2 instance? Can I launch it to EC2 instance? Let me launch EC2 instance. Okay. What we are trying to do today, Jenkins deployment. Okay. Something I am giving and today's date so that we can understand. Okay. After this, what is our diagram? We need to select Ubuntu. So we have select Ubuntu. Everything is fine. Okay. Everything is fine. I don't require key pair today. I want only security group I am giving that we are able to access so that we are using this. We are hitting from browser now. So in this diagram, let me add that someone from outside of the browser, someone from now, this is our diagram. Someone from our browser. I will give like this. Now, this is our browser. This is our browser. This is our browser. Now, this is myself, VK. Okay. There may be other people will be there. Okay. User 1 will be there. Then other user 2 will be there. They will use this URL na. We will provide what? This Tomcat URL. We will provide this Tomcat URL. We will provide this they should able to access this URL. They should able to access this URL. So to enter into the network, some security group is there na. Because external browser should these are HTTP requests na. These are HTTP requests, right? These are nothing but HTTP requests. These are HTTP requests. For this HTTP request, what we are asking, we are checking this allow HTTP, this one. Okay? From anywhere. That's it. For now, we are doing this much only. Launch instance. Okay. Proceed without key pair. Launch
Sir,
instance.
sir, one of the security group thing
If
unchecked.
it is not there, we'll configure. Only HTTP is required. If it is not there, again we will go in our institute instance and we'll do it. Now I am going inside the EC2 instance. I am going inside EC2 instance. What is our diagram saying? What is our diagram saying? Now observe. This is our step one is done. Now what we need to do? What we need to do? We need to install Java. We need to install Java. We need to install this Tomcat, everything, right? So come to our notes. Come to our notes. Okay. First we will install what? Apache Tomcat. Apache Tomcat. What is Apache Tomcat? See, this is Apache Tomcat. It is a web server. Okay. It is used to run Java web application. It is free and open source. Already we discussed it run by 8080 by we will change the server port number to 9090. How to install these? How to install this? Everything is given here. Okay, everything is given here. Come down. This is the command wget wget. But before this, we will install Java. We will install Java. Okay, now we will install Java. Okay, now first we will go with package update. We will do. Then we will install Java. Then we will do installation of server. So come here. Let me copy this command. Copy this command. Server is running 11th May. Come here. Let me connect to this server. Let me connect to this server. I am connecting from terminal only, from EC2. Okay. Inside EC2, we are doing Java installation. Okay. All package update I am doing. Okay. See, we are connected to, this is our IP address. Okay. Let me copy this, paste this command. What we are doing? Sudo apt update. It will install all related package. Okay. Package will be done. After this, what we will install, guys? What we will install? What is our next step? Java, right? Let me add Java. Copy this command. Copy this command. Sudo apt install. Okay. Let me paste here. This is the command to install Java. Okay. It is asking yes or no. Do you want to continue? Yes, we want to continue. Enter here. Java will be installed. Java will be installed. Java will be installed into the server, right? Java will be installed into the server. Java will be installed into the server. Java get installed into the server. Now, how to check Java? Java space hyphen version. Let me hit enter. The version is coming, right? It means it is installed. Now, guys, what is our next step? We have to install what? Let me change the step. I need to install Tomcat. Let me copy that Tomcat command. Where is Tomcat command? This is my Tomcat command because we have learned separately. So let me copy Tomcat command. Let me copy this command. Let me copy this command and keep in our notes. We need to extract this. So let me copy this complete part. Copy this. Come to our regular topic here. I will keep some space. I will add my notes, modify notes here. Okay, this will be our step 4. This will be our step 4. Okay, this will be our step 4 command. So this is our command. Copy this command. So what it will do, it will, let me run this command, paste here. Okay, this is going to install what? Tomcat. Okay, and how to check whether it is installed in directory or not? Linux command ls. See, this is the zip file, right? Zip file. So next command, what is our next command? We have to extract the file downloaded using below command. tar-xvp, whatever the file name. See, what is the file name it is showing in our server? Same, right? Either you should copy this name, paste here. Okay, copy this command, extract here, paste here. See, Tomcat server is extracting the file. Now, can I do ls? See, this is in blue is extracted one and red is in zip file. Till now you are good, right? So what we did according to our diagram, what we did, let me mark, this is part done. This part is done. EC2 installation, Ubuntu is done, Linux Ubuntu done, Java done, Tomcat done. But what is the port number 9090? Both two things cannot run on same port number. Na? So we will install Jenkins in 8080. We can change the server of Tomcat. How we can change the server? Come to our notes section above. This is the file. Changing the port number. We can change the port number. Can I copy this? Let me keep here in my notes section. Okay. This is step 4. Let me give this step 5. This is our step 5. We are extracted. Okay. Now, what is our step 6? We need to change the server port number. So where is this? Inside Tomcat, conf folder is there, server.xml file is there. Can I go to there? Let me go. Let me do ls. First, we will go inside cd apache tab. We will go inside this directory. Let me do enter. Okay, now we are inside this directory. Can I do ls? So there is a conf folder. What is the server.xml guys? Sorry. Where is our server.xml? Inside conf. So again, we need to go inside this conf folder. conf. So cd conf. Can I go inside this conf folder? Can I do again ls? Yeah. I can able to see server.xml. This is a file. This is not a directory. How to edit this file? vi server dot xml. vi server dot xml. Can I edit this server port number? Okay. It opened. How to edit this file? Press I from your laptop. Press I. Press I. To see it is showing insert mode. Come down. Where is our port number? It is somewhere downside. It is showing port number. You see connector equal to port number. Can we make it whatever our port number is there? We can change. I will make it 9090. Can I make it 9090? I am making it 9090. How to save this? Press escape button from your laptop. Then press shift colon WQ. See downside WQ printed, right? And then just enter. We successfully modified the port number. Till now we are good, right? But come out, how to come out of this conf folder? cd space dot dot. Come out of cd dot dot. Still, now we are in which directory? Apache. Inside Apache, how to stop and how to start the server? So there is a bin directory. Can I do ls to check the bin directory? Yeah, see, this is a bin directory. Inside bin directory, if we go cd space bin, there are certain commands to start and stop the server. Okay, we are so dot slash startup startup. Sorry, my bad spelling. Startup.sh is the command to run the server. Can I run the server? I will run the server and try to log in. Then we will require password username. See, server started, guys. So what is the IP address, guys? Let me copy this IP address of our EC2 instance and let me check. Let me close this first. The old one. Now I am opening the browser now. And this IP address colon 8080, not 9090 will do. Okay, colon 9090. So it it will open what? See, it will open something. It is not opening. Maybe there may be some security group issue. As Parth mentioned, he has observed. So let's come to security group. Whether, guys, come to security group. Whether we have opened the port for 9090? No. So let me give the port number. Add rule custom TCP 9090 and from anywhere 00 CIDR range. You don't know CIDR range for now, ignore this and let me save this rule. Once we save this rule, we are allowing from my browser. Let me hit this. Whether this is running or not, let me test again. We are able to get this banner, means we are able to run the Tomcat server. But I have to do now, I will do what? Local deployment, manual deployment. After this, I will configure Jenkins. Okay. So where to deploy this manager app? You see manager app, it is asking denied, right? It is asking denied. Why? We are not able to log in. So to access this, what is our configuration? Come to our notes section. Everything I am going to share you guys, these notes. Come to our notes section. To add user to access this, we need to contact what? We need to contact this file. We need to change this file. Host manager. Where is this file location? Tomcat, web apps, manager, meta inf, contacts.xml. This is my local browser na. This is my local browser. If you are also able to access, I will give this URL even though you guys are not able to access. See, I will give this URL in the chat. Try to access. Are you able to access? Check this URL. Till now you are able to access, but you are not able to access manage app. If I will click on opening manage app, it will give 403 access denied. Can you please check whether you are able to access or not? Yeah, this URL you are able to access, but when you will click on manager app, you are not able to access. To get the access, I want everyone to talk so that I can see we are in synchronization with each other. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No.
Okay. Manager app, you are not able to access.
Not
So,
working.
not working, right? So manager app, how we can get the access? So there is one step. Okay. To make this access, we need to change contact.xml. That hey, contacts.xml, I want you to do some changes. Where is this contact.xml file located? Tomcat. Inside Tomcat, there is a web app. Inside web app, there is a folder manager. Inside manager, there is a meta nf. Inside this, that file lies. Okay. So let me go to this path. Let me go to this path. We are already in Tomcat, but bin folder. We need to come out of the bin folder. We need to go where Tomcat folder. I will do enter. What is our path? After path, we need to go web app. Let me do ls. Is web app folder is there? Yes. Whatever in blue, that are folder. So let me go cd web apps. Web apps, right? Go inside. Now we are inside web app. See this path, Tomcat, web app. What is next? Manager. Let me go to cd space manager. Is manager there? Yes. Then what is this manager? Inside manager meta nf. cd capital M E type and press tab button. If path is there, it will take automatically. Inside meta nf, what is the file name? Contacts.xml. So this is guys file. This is not a folder. To edit the file, what we required? Vi command contacts tab. See, it is asking, right? Contacts.xml. So once we are here, how to edit this path? We have to edit this part, ball class name, to allow this IP address. Okay. So what we need to do, press I button from your laptop, down arrow, come to this path, come to this tag and delete this, and instead delete, we need to change something. What we need to provide? /start. In real time, we are not doing this. We are trying to understand how this process happen. Okay, dot star, right? Dot star we need to do. So I am giving dot star. Okay. How to save this? Press escape button from your laptop, then colon WQ, then enter. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Now let me click on again manager app, right click, open in new tab. Access denied. It is asking because it is expecting a username and password. One part is done. One part is done. But add Tomcat server in Tomcat for this user.xml, we need to provide this role username and password. Then only it can able to access. So can we go to this part, guys? Can we go to this part and change this file user.xml? Because we are the user now. Now we need to add some credential. We want Tomcat, we are the user. And if we give the username password to you, I am giving some username password admin. We can give some other also. It's not mandatory to admin. Just for practice purpose, we are giving this username. So where we need to go conf folder, then Tomcat user. So let me go to conf folder. Already we are come out of this meta inf cd dot enter. Then again come out of manager folder cd dot come out of web app folder cd dot. Then now we are in Tomcat directory. So what is our path? Conf cd.conf. We are going into conf. Fine. We are inside conf. Inside conf, we have one file Tomcat hyphen user XML. Can we check that whether this file is there or not? Yes, this is the file, right? So how to edit this file? Vi command tomcat XML. This is the file. Can I edit this file, guys? Let me hit enter. Right now, how to edit? Press I from your laptop. Insert mode will become come down. So you can see here, right? You can see here. This is the commented tag. So press, keep some space, copy this complete path, copy this, and right click, come up, press up arrow, and just paste this command. Can I press this? Right click, paste here. See guys, I am giving role manager GUI, username Tomcat, role manager GUI. I am giving extra URL. This extra tag is for Jenkin purpose. No need to worry. Just use this command. How to save this? Press escape, colon, WQ. Okay? Enter. Now this part is also done. We have given the access. Anything else required? Let's see. Okay? Port number. That is fine. Come to this. Can I click here manager app? Open in new tab. Open in new tab. Okay. It is asking, see, it is asking me now this type. Admin. You guys also can able to log in. Go and log in with admin. Guys, are you able to talk to me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Can you log in with admin? Click here, right click, manager tab, right click, open in
Yes, sir.
link in new tab. Are you able to log in?
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't do anything. Nothing is deployed, right? So our Tomcat configuration is done. Till now we are good, right? Let me copy this command. Let me everything. We need to edit this file. We need this we have done. So let me copy this and keep our Jenkins notes. Okay. Come down. This step number 6 we did. Now let me paste here step number as a 7. Okay. I will provide this documentation. You can practice this. So now this will be our step number 7. Are you comfortable? This is our step number 7. Okay. And this is our step number 8. This is our step number 8. Okay. This is our step number 8. Now, Jenkins part is done. Come to our diagram. So Tomcat part is done. Server is done. Everything is done. Can we come to, can I do manual deployment? Can you do manual deployment? Let me do manual deployment. If I am a developer, I am doing testing, then I have to deploy this manually. without Jenkins. So I will go here, show in path I have to go. Where is my var file? My var file is in this project. This is my project. Come down inside the target folder. This is my web file. Copy this, copy this, copy this. Go to the Tomcat. Go down, scroll down. Var file to deploy is their option. Choose file. The var file I need to provide this path, enter. This is var file. Open this and just we need to click deploy. Can I give deploy? I have given deploy. This is the Maven web app. Can I click on this? Open living tab. See output we are getting now. Click on this Maven. Everyone click on this. Everyone click on this Maven web app.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this output? Are you getting this output? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
You are getting output, right?
Yes,
Can
sir.
I undeploy this application? Click on undeploy. And I here, right? Can I click on undeploy? I want to undeploy. Can I click on undeploy? Let me do click on undeploy. Let me click on undeploy. I will undeploy the application. Try to observe. Undeploy. Undeploy. Application is undeployed, right? Now can you check whether this is working fine or not?
Not found,
It
sir.
is not found, right? 4 not found.
Mhm.
This is manual deployment. Now tell me, there are 10 developers in a project. Do you think 10 people will keep on testing their functionality by deploying everyone jar var file? We
No.
all are people here. One people will write some code, they will create var file, they will deploy. One more person will deploy. Like this, is it correct way? No, na. So what we will do, we will change the code. Now guys, try to observe. Try to observe what I am doing. Again, I will deploy. I will deploy. I will deploy. Observe. One more time I am deploying. One more time I am deploying. See guys, I am deploying one more time. Observe manual deployment one more time. I deployed Maven app. What happened? Maven. This output is coming USA. Can I remove USA? Now my technical lead say, hey, USA is not in our requirement. Why you keep this? Why you keep this? What I will do? I will come. This is my code. I will remove this code. Observe everyone. Can I remove the code USA from my? Can I change this code? Can I remove this code? I am deleting not from here. If it is, yeah. Let me do from here. Can I remove this? I remove USA. Now save this. Now save this. USA gone, right? USA gone, right?
Yes, sir.
But still in var file is there which is deployed. What happened here? What happened? I did not notice. 1 minute. Someone undeployed, right? Someone undeployed, right? Don't do that. Let me do my work. Otherwise, I will change the password. Don't undeploy. Huh? USA is still there, right? In my local, my lead told me remove USA. I removed USA. What I will do, I will create one more var file. Run as Maven build. Whatever instruction I am giving, only do that, guys. Otherwise, I am doing build. I change the code. I doing build. Now this var file, what you are seeing, this will be deleted automatically by Maven in my local, and new var file will be created when build success we will get. See, build success, it means new var file is created. How I can check? How I can check? How I can check? Okay, now observe. Refresh this target folder. Refresh the target folder. According to our USA should not come, right? So let me come back. Let me come back. Undeploy this. Undeploy this. And again, I will select choose file. This time, refresh here, new var file. See, what is the timing? 8.5. It means it is the latest file. Open this, deploy this. Click on this. Whether USA is, why guys, US is still there? Okay, let me go here. Show in. It should not there. Oh, see, it is coming here now. That's why it is coming. 1 second. Let me remove this USA. Let me remove this USA. Save this file. I did not. Maybe it is not reflecting. Let me save this file. Again do run as maven build. Not required every time. This is same maven build.
The this connected to VS Code, sir?
It is opening in VS Code also. I don't know, but it should be taken care here only.
Okay.
Again, it is coming back. Why are? Let me close this. Let me close this. See, it is revert back, right? Save this. Let me do save. Now let me do maven build again. Maybe some issues there. That is not our issue. We need to build the file and we need to change whether this file is there or not. Okay. Once again, I am doing the build. I am doing the build. I don't know why again is coming. 1 second. Okay. Okay. Let me delete this war file first. Let me delete this war file. Okay. I am doing the changes here. Control Z. Save this file. Save this file. I save this file. Save this file. Let me close this. Close this. Okay. Okay. No problem. I save this file. Okay. Save this file. Let me again do unless and until that changes reflect. Every time that USA will come. Again, I am doing maven build. Let's check. Build success, right? Now let me open. Now let me open this file whether USA is there or not. Guys, USA is there. Yeah, again and again it's coming. Okay. Let me do something. Okay, no problem. Let me go here. It's not our deal. It's not a big deal. Come here. Go inside this project. Where is our SRC? Why it is going? Guys, I am doing in wrong way, na? 1 second. It should not be here. It should be in SRC. It should be in SRC. SRC main web app. There also one file is there. It is taking care of this. Okay, now I will delete USA. I was doing wrong way. Now I will delete from here. Observe, guys. I am removing USA. Okay, I will save this file. Now it will reflect. Now it will reflect. Now it will reflect. I am doing in wrong way. Now I am doing in correct way. Now I will do run as maven build. Now I will do maven build. Okay, now this is correct. I was doing in target folder index.jsp. I have supposed to do in web app under SRC. Now everything is fine. New war file is there. Come here and do this manual deployment. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. See, when we click USA, okay, somebody is deploy. Let me open this file. Open this file. Deploy this war. I am doing deployment. Deployment does. Let me click here. Right? USA gone na. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
This is manual deployment. But do you think 10 developer will do this activity every time? No, right? We require Jenkins to do everything automatically. Come to our notes now. Till now, manual deployment is done. Now we will go with Jenkins. Jenkins role start here. Jenkins role start here. I need to install Jenkins. This will be our step 9. This will be our step 9. Okay, this will be your step 9. Copy this command. Copy this command. I will install according to my diagram. According to my diagram, I need to install what? Jenkins. Can I install Jenkins, guys? Let me install. Come to our server. Let me come out of this cd dot dot cd dot dot. Okay. Now we are in here. Let me do clear everything screen. Let me paste this command. Okay. Can I do enter? Now, what is our next command, guys? After this, this is step 9 done. This will be our step number 10. This will be our step number 11. This will be our step number 11. This will be our step number 12. Let me, okay, and this will be step number 13. Okay. Hope we are in good, right? Remove, let me, dollar is not required. Let me again do good update. It's not right required, but let me do it. Updates are done. Updates are going on. Next command is to install Jenkins. Okay. It is installing the packages. Now, right click, paste Jenkins. I am installing Jenkins. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Jenkins is installing. See, Jenkins is installing, right? Okay. Jenkins is installing. Unpackaging Jenkins, creating symlinks. Meanwhile, how to start the Jenkins? We have started the server. We need to start Jenkins also, right? Now everything is done. But Jenkins will run on which port number? 8080. Can I start the Jenkins? First, we need to start the Jenkins. Na? Let me start the Jenkins. Enter. Jenkins started. How to check the status? Copy this command. Control it. Copy this command. Paste here. Enter. Jenkins started, right? No. Okay. Control C. Okay. It is the information. Now I need to do some configuration in Jenkins. How I can do this configuration? Sudo command. I need to log in. Where is my Jenkins? Let me try to hit Jenkins. What is the port number? IP address will be same, but 8080 port number, right? Whether it is working, it will ask for administrator password. See, it is also not working. Why? Time. Security group. Come here. What port we are access allowing? What port we are allowing? All 9090 there, everything is there. Do we allow 8080? No, na. Let's add 8080 port number in our security group. The moment I will save, it will refresh and it will give some Jenkins related stuff. Let's see. Now it's coming, right? Sign into Jenkins, but it will ask admin password. It will ask admin password. Do we have admin password? Tell me. Guys, we have admin password. Tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir. First, we have to register.
So where is what is the command? This is the command. Copy this, and come to here in EC2 server. Paste here. After installation, it will give you the password. This is the password, guys. Copy this. Let me paste in my notes. You will get this such password like this. Let me paste here. I paste here. Okay. Now come to our Jenkins. Provide here password. Continue. Not now. It will ask to install plugin. Click on install suggested plugin. All plugin will be automatically installed inside Jenkins. See folder, pipeline, Git, LDAP, GitHub, SSH build, email extension build, and Gradle. Whatever the basic thing required, it get installed. Once done, it will ask for admin password, username. One means we need to provide credential. It is asking me username. Can I use same username? This username I will give. This username I will give. Okay. Let me stop my screen share for 1 second. I will add this information. Okay. Can I stop my screen share for 1 second, guys?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. I'm stopping my screen share. I just entering my details here. One second. ठीक है. I'm sharing my screen again. Try to observe. I'm sharing my screen again. Try to observe. I have provided what? This is my username. I have given some password. Okay. Can I do save and add continue? I am doing save and continue. Okay. Let it save. Can I do save and finish? Select all control Z. This will be our Jenkins URL. Select all control C. Save and finish. Now it is asking start using Jenkins. It is asking start using Jenkins. So what we did, guys, according to our diagram, we have configured, we have done Jenkins also. Till now we are good, right? Now what we need to do, GitHub, Maven, Java, Tomcat, everything inside Java. So can I create one pipeline? New item, new item. ठीक है. 11th May deployment free trial project. Click on OK. ठीक है. I created one pipeline. That's it. That is fine. Now I need to install where everything I need to do now. Come again back to this. See, it is asking right from where you will get the password. GitHub repository, right? So before this, let's come back. Let install Java, Maven inside Jenkins. Manage. Click on manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. Click on where we need to click, guys. Manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins will ask you to one plugin. See, guys, observe diagram carefully. We want Jenkins. Right? Once you create the war file, deploy this file in Tomcat server na. For that one plugin is required. What is that plugin name? Click on plugin, click on plugin, click on plugin. What happened? Available plugin. Click on available plugin. So there is a deployment plugin is there. One second. Let me search this. War. Deploy to container. This plugin we need to add. Deploy to plugin. Click on that and install. This plugin part is done. Okay. Plugin part is done. It is going to install. It is installing, right? So what is the plugin? It is installed, right? So let me add one thing. What is required, guys, for this plugin required, right? What is the, let me note down some in different color. What is required? Paste here. What is the plugin name? Deploy to container plugin. Deploy to container plugin. Deploy to container plugin is required. Okay? This plugin is required. Okay? So this plugin is also done. Then next, come back. Dashboard. Now we need to install Java na. Again, Maven Jenkins. Come to Maven Jenkins. We need to provide Java, right? We need to provide Java. Click on tools. Previously, guys, we used to give the Oracle username and password, but recently it is automatically taking what? It is automatically taking. One second. It is automatically taking 1 minute. GDK. Add GDK. Add GDK. GDK 1.8 I am giving, but it will take the latest version most probably. Okay. Install automatically. Install automatically. One part is done. Java. We ask Jenkins install Java. We are giving JDK fine. We are asking Git. Add Git. Install automatically. Okay. We are asking Git or install automatically. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Install automatically. Now come here. Where is Maven? Add Maven. We are giving some name. Maven, it is asking required. Okay. It is what version you want. You can take any version. I am taking any version. You can, no problem. Okay. See, guys, what we did. 3 things we are giving now. Java, Git, and Maven. Can I do save? I am doing save. According to our diagram, Git is done, Maven done, and Java is also done, right? Okay, perfectly fine. Now come to our dashboard again. Now we will work on our pipeline. 11 made dev pipeline. 11 made dev pipeline. ठीक है. Now in pipeline, this is our pipeline, guys. See, consider this arrow as a pipeline. This pipeline will be there. Let me change some color. Change some color. Black or this yellow one is a pipeline. What it will do, it will take the code from GitHub. How configure this? We need to give some configuration to pipeline na. Where is tank? Where is tab? Where is our bathroom? Where is the toilet? Something. Then only pipeline will be connected. Let me give GitHub. Where is URL, guys? This is my URL. Come to GitHub. This is my project, right? I will do everything in front of you now. See, copy this. What is the branch name? Main. Come here, provide the URL. Okay, you give the okay. Add me credential also. Give me credential also. It is asking. You given me URL, but when I will try to connect, it won't allow me. Okay. So what is the username? Most probably this is the user name, email ID. Maybe I am giving this username. I am not sure, but this is the password. Let me try. I am giving the password. Let me say add this. I add this, not now. Let me, guys, first verify this whether I am connecting to correct GitHub or not. Let me open in GitHub in incognito mode. GitHub. I will try to log in with my credential. Okay, let me log out from here. Where is log out? Sign out. Sign out. First, I will try to log in. Otherwise, what will happen if I will give wrong credential? Na? Then again, it will be a problem. Okay. Now come here. Email ID I given corrected. Let me delete the password and try what I given to Jenkin. Whether I am giving correct or not. Yeah, I have given correct credential here, guys. I have given correct credential only. So GitHub is fine. URL is fine. Now, 1 second. What happened? Cancel this. Where is my GitHub? None. It is there, right? Okay, fine. GitHub I have configured. Okay, this is URL. Branch is where? Not master. Whatever branch we want, that branch we need to specify. Okay, I have specified the branch name. I have Okay. I don't want to build periodically. Okay. Now, what is next thing? Environment. Come down, build step. Click on build step. Top level Maven target. What is the target? Goals, clean space install. This is the command we are giving, right? When I am doing something in my local, what is the command I am giving to my project? Run as Maven build. What I am doing? I am giving command na clean install in goals. Then with this, we are able to create war file, right? Same command I am giving. Come down. I want post build action. Once the war file is created, what you want after build? Click the action. Deploy war file to container. What is my container now? What is my container? My container is what? This one. Tomcat, right? Now try to observe. 1 minute. So we need to give whatever the file name. See, always remember why I am giving star dot star slash observe. Star dot no, slash star dot var. What does this mean, guys? Star means anything and which is having extension var. Observe. What is my don't say, what is my this name? Maven web app dot var. So what does this mean, guys? It means anything, any name, but it should end with dot var. That's why we are giving this name. What path I should give? Any path I am giving. VK path I am giving. Can I give any name? VK path I am giving. Any name in context path. Okay? Now, add container. What is your container? We have configured Tomcat na? Okay. Then apply. What is the URL? Okay, you have given. I want the password and username of this Tomcat. I need to provide this. So what is the username and password we have given, guys? Username is admin. And what is the password of our server? Tomcat admin, right? Now, perfectly fine. Can I add this? Okay, not now. Click here. See, it is expecting admin, right? Oh, maybe let me check again. It is something wrong. Admin, come down. Admin. Okay? Okay. Add this. Okay? Now click here. See admin. It was incorrect earlier. Now admin slash admin. What is the URL, guys, of my Tomcat server? This is Tomcat server, right? Undeploy this first. Copy this URL. Copy this URL. Copy this. Come to this. This is my URL, right? Now you are able to relate everything, right? This is my Tomcat server. It will look for this server. It will look for this GitHub. Everything we are configured. Just I need to save this. Can I save this? Save. Now observe. Now observe. Now observe. Nothing is there, right? Nothing is there in my deploy var file, right? Nothing is there. Now can I trigger my build? Let me trigger the build. Build is schedule. Build is schedule. Observe here carefully. Are you there, everyone? Are you everyone able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What happened to our build? Let's go inside and check. If any failure is there, we can able to rectify. No problem. It is not able to build. Okay. Now we will see what is configuration is required. Come here. Okay. See, clean install, MVN clean install. ठीक है, no such file or directory is there. Okay, something we will check again. Come back to our dashboard. Come back to our dashboard. Manage Jenkins. Tools. Something issue related to Git. Come down. This is the path. No, not this one. Pipeline we need to go. We need to go inside pipeline. Where is my pipeline? Go to dashboard. Click on this pipeline. Configure this pipeline. Come down. Git repository. Git URL. Let me copy this. Jenkins demo. Control V. ठीक है. Now everything is fine. Main is fine. Build issue is there, right? So Maven version we did not given, right? We have given name. We did not given name. That's why it was not there. Maven, everything is fine. Now save this. That's why it was failing, because it was not able to look for Maven. Some name we have given, na? Okay. Now I will click on build now. Second build started. Most probably this will be success. See this. What happened? We will observe. Let this build finish. I am keeping on mute. Meanwhile, this build will run. Observe carefully. I click on that build. Let's see. Is it failing or what? If any issue is also coming, that is good for us only. We'll wait. We'll observe these guys. That's why I'm taking time today. Just we'll observe, guys. Wait. Otherwise, I will stop the server and again restart. Okay. Just give me a minute. You are all with me, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
One.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So, guys, if I stop the server, just tell me what we need to do then. We'll restart the server. Then what we need to do? Can you tell me now? What points come into your mind?
IP address.
First, IP address will change after restart. So we need to change the IP address. Second thing, in configure also we have given Tomcat URL, na? That also IP address we need to change. Let me stop the server and restart again. Okay. Now I am stopping the server. Try to observe. If it is not stop, I will give force stop. Force stop. It is showing stopping. We will wait something because we are using some US region also, right? And so many things we are doing with very low performance free tire services. That's why it's very slow. Okay. 1 second. We will see output 100% today. Let it refresh this. Let first this stop. Then we will start again. Everything will start. It is showing stopping. Let this service stop, instance stop. Let me do again force stop. It will take time. And guys, you also observe, right? If your laptop is having low configuration, if you do so many activity, your laptop also hang, na? Right?
Yes, sir.
We are doing with very low configuration. What is one CPU, something T2 micro, right? That is very only for practice purpose. That's what we have to use a proper. In that we have installed Tomcat, we have installed
The
Jenkins, we
reason
have.
also
Hmm?
means reason can also depends on this. That is Virginia, United States.
Region also, region fine. It is using AWS network only. But our
Okay.
configuration is also very low. Na? See, AWS
Yes.
network is very fast, but mostly this is our. See, even though it is not stopping because it is something stuck. Na? If you try to force stop your laptop when your laptop is having very low configuration, for example, i3, 4 GB RAM, okay, very low gigahertz CPU, then you start so many things. Then you need to use what task manager, right? Something like that, right? Let this stop first. Once it will be stopped, then we will see. But definitely that's what I postponed it today, other sessions, and we want to do this end to end. Because every yesterday also last moment because of time issue, we have to postpone this for today, but we will complete this today only. Already we did everything yesterday, complete end to end, but let me show you output today also. Let me refresh this. Let me refresh this. Once this will be, see how much time it is taking for stopping today. Because what the server which we are working on, it is maybe taking time. Okay, just let the server stop. It will start again quickly, and then we will able to do everything. So it is in stopping. In the instance is stopping. Okay, let me refresh this. Let me again do force stop. Meanwhile, it will stop. Let's come to our diagram. So this is right. Again, observe what we did today. Try to observe. I'm doing Control Z. Let me clean my diagram. So what we are configured, this is our GitHub URL. This is our GitHub URL. Okay, this is our GitHub URL. Try to understand this again. This is our GitHub URL. Every developer will push their changes into their respective branch, not into main branch. For now, just think we have one branch only. For now, we can think we have only one branch, that is main branch. Think I am only one developer, which is going to push the changes in which branch? In this GitHub URL, main branch. Then what we are doing? We have one AWS account. Inside AWS account, we have EC2 server, EC2 instance. In EC2 instance, what we install? Configure Linux operating system. We required, right? Linux operating system. We required Linux operating system. So after that, what we did inside Linux operating system, we have installed Java. Then what we did, because Java is required for Maven and Tomcat, everything, right? So then after this, inside server, inside operating system, we have configured Tomcat server. We change the Tomcat server port number. We have given this permission to access from browser. We have given the credential, username and password. After that, what we install? We install Jenkins. What is required in Jenkins? We want, right, Jenkins. We want Jenkins. Hey, Jenkins, go to this GitHub. That's why we have configured GitHub. We want Maven to create a war file. We have configured Maven. We have installed Java because the code is Java. So war file will be the code will be compiled. The war file will be created. Now after that, we have added one plugin. That plugin is what? Deploy to container. That plugin we have installed. What is the plugin name? Let me add the plugin name. We have done plugin name also, right? This is the plugin name. The one plugin also, this diagram will, this will make you remember plugin is also we did. So this plugin will help when the WAR file be created, automatically this WAR file will be deployed into this server. That is what our agenda. Now this server is stopped, right? Are you with me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Talk to me. Now I am going inside the server. Can I start the server again? See IP address gone, right? See, when we stop the server, IP gone, na?
Yes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
whatever
Yes, sir.
changes we did, we need to keep those changes in same places, right? Now let me start the server. Sorry, let me start the instance. I am starting the instance. Let me close the other terminal, which is not required. Let me refresh this, whether this start or not. Once this start, see IP address appeared, right? 52.54.165.250. Let me connect first and let me start the Tomcat server because Tomcat is not started na in the server. So first what we need to do, tell me what we need to do. Server we need to make up and running na,
Yes, sir.
because server started. So we need to make a server up and running. Okay. Where is our server? First, let me go to Apache. This is Apache, right? Let me go to the directory. Where is our server? command to run the bin folder, right? What is the command? Dot/start. Enter this. Tomcat started, right? Tomcat started. Tomcat started. Tomcat started. But where it started? In this port number. What is the port number, guys? Tell me. What is the port number? What is the port number of server? 9090 of Tomcat server. This is the port number. What is showing? URL not found. Why? Copy.
Security
Server
group is fine, na, sir?
security group is fine. One time that is required. Server right started. Paste here. Colon 9090. Can I hit it? Not found. Tomcat started. Come here. Let me check security group one more time. T80809090 is there, right? What happened? Tomcat started. Tomcat started. Okay. Come to our notes. What is the URL? This is the URL. Let me. What is the URL? 1 second. This is the IP address. 9090. Copy this. Copy this. Paste here. Why URL not found? 1 second. Let me check. Apache server also started. Let me verify. Let verify. Common issues are there. Where is the port number? Let me go to this path. Let's check cd conf enter. Okay. Come out of this bin folder cd dot dot. Then cd conf enter. Then ls server.xml file, right? So v as server.xml enter. 9090 is fine, right? Escape colon wq. Fine. What is the IP address? Let me again check. Refresh this. First, let me refresh this. 165.250. Copy this. Paste here. Colon 8080. See Jenkin. Let me start Jenkin first. What is the username of Jenkin, guys? This is the username. Copy this. Anyhow, it is working. Let's see. Jenkin is working. Let me log in into Jenkin. VK. Oh no, this is the. Let's first log in into Jenkin. Jenkin is working fine. Copy this. Paste here. 9090. Happened to server. Till now it was good, right? Till now it was good. What happened? 1 minute. Okay. Did somebody change? I given the credential. Let me check. That's why it is not good to give credential.
Sir, we have to we have to first close the older server for older IP address. Then we have to restart with a new server. Don't get.
No, that is fine. IP address change na? That is
Oh.
not a problem. One second. Taking 1 minute. CD on ls cd tomcat vi tomcat xml everything is fine. Escape. Escape colon wq. Okay, let me come out of the cd startup. Guys, let me stop the server first. Okay, I agree with you. Maybe dot go to this go to bin folder cd bin dot slash shutdown dot slash. Okay, no problem. 1 minute. 1 minute. Dot slash. You are right. Sorry. 9090. One second, guys. No problem. We will do it. One second. I'm doing one thing. ls. Okay. rm Apache. I'm removing this. One minute, guys. One small change I'm doing. Any background noise from my side, guys? Hello?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Yes.
rm -r Apache enter. One second. rm hyphen
RMDAR, sir.
huh?
RMDAR, directory.
So RM hyphen RF.
RF
IRM
personal
RF, right? RF. Now I will do ls. Okay, now quickly, what is our server? Come here, extract this. I'm doing again extract. Just 1 minute, won't take much time. Extract is done. Extract is done. I will change the port number. Okay, go to again do ls. Okay, now go to cd conf enter. Oh, sorry, cd Apache, then cd conf. Okay, cd conf, then vs server.xml file. What is the port number, guys? Insert mode. I will do one shot everything now. I will make it 9090. Okay, 9090 and come down. Now escape this colon WQ. Save this file. Then server.xml done. Again contacts.xml. Where is our conf vi.contacts.xml. We need to add this change, right? Star dot star. Where is this? Come down. And correct file. Contacts.xml. Escape colon WQ. I am in conf folder.
Sir, in web apps.
No. Same folder. Conf server.xml port number. Okay, wait up, right? cd space dot dot ls. Here is our web app. cd web apps. Enter here. Then ls. One second. I did not copy these steps. One second. Web apps manager meta nf. Manager cd. cd manager. cd meta nf. Then what is the file name? Context. vi context.xml. Where is that? This is the path. Insert mode. Come here. Come here. Actually, today I'm outside. Kids. You are getting sound of kids, right? Dot slash dot star dot star. That's it, right? Dot star. How to save? Escape colon WQ. This part is done. This part is done. This part is done. Now we will go to user.xml. We will copy paste this. Okay. Where is user.xml? Tomcat conf folder, right? Conf folder. So cd come out of this first. cd dot dot cd dot dot and cd dot dot. Now cd conf. Enter vi tomcat XML file. Come down. Insert mode. Come down. Keep some space here. Enter. Just paste here. Just paste here. Escape. How to save this? Escape colon WQ. Save this, right? Now everything is done. ls. Okay. Now come to bin folder cd dot dot and cd bin. cd bin is there. Now what is the commands? Dot start dot slash start, right? Dot slash startup Tomcat started. What is the port number? What is the IP? What is the IP? This is the IP. Come this, hit this. Why this is not running, guys? Just now we did, right? One second. We did not get find a current representation of target source.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Oh, it's a free turn also. Did we utilize maximum?
It will come bill, na?
Okay.
If you cross the limit, it will ask the billing. The origin did not find a representation. But what happened here? Just now we configure everything. I'm surprised. It is running also. PD dot ls. Okay, let me go to bin folder cd bin 1 second. cd bin dot slash shutdown pickup gdk open java. Okay, dot slash start. Get started. Four not four.
Sir, update
this,
to
bro.
Ubuntu.
Let me do that also. No problem. But that is not a issue. Oh my god, I'm doing it wrong way. One minute, guys. Let me do one thing.
Sir, it's problem on your URL, sir. I have taken that IP, it's starting on my end, sir.
What is the IP URL?
52.54.165.250, na?
Uh-huh.
Start on, sir, any ages and all. It's starting, sir.
Can you
Where?
share on chat, please?
No.
My
tell me, Jwala, what is the issue?
No, sir. Can you start in that IP manually typing onto Edge, sir? Just go into Edge. I will say you, sir, what's IP was there.
Tell me. 52.
54 point,
Okay, 54, right? 54 dot
54, 52.54. Sorry. 52,
52 dot 54
54 dot 165
165
dot 250
250
double colon
dot
9090.
uh-huh.
Just hit enter, sir. Just type underscore manager
Okay. Ping
under
the in the chat na, ping the in the chat. I will copy that.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir, it's working.
For me, it's not working. Ping in the chat. Let me copy this. If it is working, then admin. Okay. Final performance we have to do, guys. Now it is working fine. Okay. Now this URL we need to give where we need to give this URL to where Tomcat, right? Let me paste here. But this should work with the Jenkins also, na? Let me try. Because Jenkins we need to give this URL. Okay. Jenkins is also not. One second. Jenkins, sign in Jenkins. Let me log in into Jenkins. This is the username. Copy this, paste here, and password, and login. In Jenkins also we need to change the URL, na, IP address of the Tomcat, right?
Yes.
Save this, come to this pipeline. Can I go to configure now? Let me go to configure. Let me go to configure. Let me come down to here, configure this URL. IP I need to change, right? Let me change this IP. Copy from EC2 instance, copy this IP address, come down here, paste here. Perfectly fine, right? Then save, apply. Save and apply. And now we will run the pipeline. We will see what is our output. Now let me trigger the build pipeline. I am triggering the pipeline. Build schedule. It is started. It is successful, guys. See green, right? Green, right?
Yes, sir.
Come here, refresh
Yes,
this
sir.
browser. I did not do it. See coming, right? Just click on this open click. I did not do anything. Now this code is coming, right? Now I will push the code, my local code. I will make the changes here in my code and I will do the changes automatically in 1 minute. It will be done. Can I do the changes in my code? Observe, guys. I will open Git bash for this project. Now this is very important to observe. Go inside the project, open the git bash, open the git bash. Everyone watch here carefully. This is the very important part. Git bash. Okay? I will keep here. I will do the code changes here. I have already done the changes. See, git status. I will do git status. See, this many files are changed, right? Okay. But I want to do these changes only. Okay? Now try to observe. Now, I will push my code there. Okay? What file I want to move the code? This index.jsp. Okay? So let me. Okay. Now come here, git bash. Where is my git bash? Just now git bash was there, na? No.
Cross it, sir. You have cut it,
That's it.
not minimized it.
Actually, I cross it, right? Okay. Because I am focusing on so many things. So git bash here. Already in our code, what is coming? USA coming, right? I remove USA. So let me do git status, file change. Now let me git add space dot. Now I will do again git status. Okay. Now git commit -m some message remove USA. Remove USA. Okay. Now I will do git push. Can I do git push? Git push, perfectly fine. It will do git push. See, let's come to git account. Where is our git account? Did I open somewhere git account? See, can I refresh here? First, you will able to see git changes. Now you remove USA, right? It means my code is in GitHub. I have to click on what, guys? I will refresh this, so my changes is not there, right? Let me trigger this pipeline again. Build now. I will click on build now. New pipeline I have created. See, new pipeline is running. Fourth pipeline. Once it will be done. It is successfully done, guys. It is successfully done. Come here. Manager. Refresh this. What happened? One second. Where is our something wrong or what? Build now. See, I will click here VK path. Gone, na? USA gone, right? Baba, USA gone or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How beautiful we are able to do. For example, now 10 developer will move the changes. They will add the changes into their branch. All the changes will move into master branch. Then only what we need to do, we need to just click on this pipeline. This will pull the code from main branch. How beautiful it is, right?
Yes.
Only setup is time taking, but development is for months and years, right? 1 or 2 days required for this pipeline creation. And for every day, whoever doing the changes, they can move their code in to branch, and then branch can be moved, merge into the main branch or master branch, and from that it will take the code. This kind of pipeline is for development branch. Same kind of pipeline I can create. Let's say this is 11th May is for development. Same pipeline I can create for QA. Same pipeline I can create from prod, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hope You enjoy this
Sir,
session, today's session. I'm stopping my screen share and stopping the
or
recording.
there is a need of uh, always start for server now.
Start. Never we have to stop the server without permission. Once server has started.
Okay. But for practice purpose, we can
This
stop.
practice you have to stop the server. Let me stop the server. Let me
Yes.
stop the server. Share my screen. Let me do the cleanup activity. Let me do the cleanup activity.
Sir, if we are working on multiple,
1 second. First, let me clean up. Let me stop the server. /shutdown. Server stop. Let me stop this instance also. We don't want this instance now. Let me stop all the instance. We don't require. Stop instance. We have to click. All the instance will be stopped automatically. This is what we need to do after our practice. Okay. Now I'm stopping my screen share, guys. I will stop the recording.
Okay.
Already
For
recording.
practice purpose, sir, we have to this project in our